Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into LG's latest gem, the CineBeam Qube. Let's explore its design, features, and performance in this short review. LG nails it in the design department with the CineBeam Qube. It's not just a projector, it's a stylish interior accessory. Minimalist, a 360-degree rotatable handle, and at only $149, it's both chic and practical. Display quality. Now the display, the RGB laser light source projects in stunning 4K UHD on screens up to 120 inches. With a peak brightness of 500 ANSI lumens, expect vivid, sharp visuals. The color accuracy stands out, bringing movies and content to life. Software and connectivity. Navigating is a breeze with LG webOS 6.0. Access Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and YouTube seamlessly. The image mapping function lets you personalize your space with digital images, specifications, and pricing. Pricing? Still a mystery, but specs? Impressive. 4K UHD, lightweight. LG seems to be onto something. Stay tuned for the price tag in 2024. Conclusion. In a nutshell, LG's CineBeam Qube blends style and tech seamlessly. A chic design, stunning display, and user-friendly interface make it a strong contender. Keep an eye out for the price. This might be your next lifestyle projector. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's keep the tech talk alive.